Hi team, let's take a look at the project profile page in Pipeline CRM. This is where you spend most of your time once a project is up and running. Everything you need to manage, update, and track in a project lives right here. Find the project, click these three dots, and click View. At the very top here, you'll see a summary row, a quick snapshot of where things stand. Milestones completed, to-dos completed, overdue tasks, linked records, and days left versus plan. If a project is set to start in the future, days left will reflect the time until the end date from today. So it may look higher than your planned days until the project kicks off. Now let's walk through each section. The project overview tile is where you manage your milestones and tasks. You can click into a milestone to expand it and see all of the tasks inside. You can toggle between open tasks and completed. And to mark a task complete, you can just check the box next to it. The three-dot menu gives you the option to edit the specific task or delete it. Edit from here. It does show you when it was created and the time. If you need to add a new task, click Add Task, and you can add that task right inside the milestone. To add a new milestone, go ahead here and click the Add, and you can add your new milestone here. Again, you can edit a milestone by clicking here, add the task to a milestone, edit or delete. Moving over, you've got the collaborators tile. You can click the Add icon and add collaborators. You can add individual users or entire teams. We'll add Kimberly and Don Johnson. We'll hit Add Collaborators. And you can remove these collaborators by just clicking the little trash bucket. Just keep in mind that collaborators have access to the entire project. If you're adding an external guest, like a read-only, they have read-only access. They can view the project and add activity notes, but can't edit milestones, tasks, or any other project details. Moving down, the linked tile shows all the deals, people, and companies connected to this project. You can click the add icon and you can add multiple deals, people, or companies, link them to this project. When you link a record here, a linked projects tile automatically appears on that record's profile page. So anyone viewing that deal or contact can see the project it's tied to. For example, Shane Wilson. We'll open in a new tab and we can see here, this is Shane. Down here, we can see that Shane is linked to this project here. The activity feed is a running log of everything that happens in the project. Notes, emails, status changes, milestones added or removed, files uploaded, collaborators added. It shows up here automatically. One thing to note, emails from linked contacts, deals, and companies will surface in the feed too, but only emails sent or received after the project was created. Other email history stays on the source record. Minimize this, talk about the file tile, where you can attach and manage files for the project, contracts, drawings, reference docs, anything you want to keep within the project, it can live here. And if you have set up custom fields for projects, those will appear at the bottom of the profile page. If you have admin access, you can go here to the settings, data entry, and you'll see under custom fields, there's a new spot for project for your custom fields there. To edit the project details, click up here at the little pencil. You can change the name, the color, the owner, the status, the dates, linked records. Just remember to click save after you make your changes. And if you would like more options up here in actions, you can edit from here, share the project, add a milestone, archive the project, delete the project, or edit layout, where you can adjust where the different tiles show up for you when you look at the project. And that's the project profile page, your home base for everything happening inside of a project.